Now let us talk about functions in Python. So we will talk about three different scenarios. First thing, how to define a function. That's the first thing we'll be talking, and then okay, and then second thing we are going to talk about how to pass arguments to function. This is the second thing we'll be talking, and the third thing that we'll be talking is return value from function. So these are the three things we will be talking. Okay, now the first thing, how to define a function. If a function definition starts with the keyword def, you can see it got highlighted here. So this is one of the advantages of using tools to write a program rather than a simple text pad. So def, let us say function definition. Okay, and then when you can see it, the colon is also auto filled. Now what we are doing is print. We are printing way to know. Okay, this is a simple function definition. As we said, this is the def is a keyword, function underscore def. This is a function name. Function name ends with brackets and then colon followed by colon, and you can write whatever is there. So you can see the indentation which says all these statements belong to this function. And then the second thing, we'll see how to pass arguments to function. So def, we will name it as pass, and let us say we are passing a comma b. Okay, we will print a plus b. For example, let us assume we are passing some integer values to a function and then return valuing function. So again, it starts func underscore return is what we will name it. So return means we are going to return something, right? Let us return some number 7. Okay, so now let us write that. So all the function definitions are done. Let us write the action program now. So we are going to call the function, first function def. Okay, so like see, you don't need any semicolon after this, just call the function, and function underscore pass of, let us assume we are passing 4 comma 5, and then we are doing a return, right? Let us assume we are calling this function underscore return. Okay, and then as it is returning a value, let us collect into some variable number. Okay, and then we are going to print that number. Okay, you can see as we type here, we are writing this in Eclipse with the PyDev. So it automatically prompts what need to be filled there. So if you want, we can directly select there. I am purposely writing it because for beginners especially, it is good that they write on their own. So that's the reason why I'm showing you to write. Otherwise we can select directly there, which saves a lot of time. Now when we run this, you can see with the first function definition, this function is called, which prints way to know, and then in the next function we are passing 4 comma 5, which is printing 9, which is 4 plus 5, and then in the function return we are actually getting 7 returned. So there is 7 returned here, and then it is coming. There is no need of semicolon there. So this is the problem with guys writing C programs. Okay, see, it prints 7 because 7 is returned from this function and we are collecting it to a number, and then we are printing that number. So this is how we are actually using the function definitions, and then how we are calling in our program. So we can write some condition here and run these functions as long as we need, like using a while condition or a for loop.